welcome back to the Malarkey channel. I'm Mark. I'm here with my boys. We're not in the shop today. We are out on a fall colors ride with my friend John, Dirt Road Therapy John. I'll put a link up in the corner for you can go check out his channel. We're on his fall colors ride. We're not in the Jeep. We're in my wife's Mercedes, and we'll see. We're gonna hopefully make a little quick video about it, but I am not gonna do the filming. I'm gonna hand the cameras over to my boys. Boys, you're gonna keep the cameras steady, right?
Yeah, I'm
all right. We're gonna get some shots of this ride. We're gonna get some perspective from them on what this would be like. The point of the ride is the fall colors, which you can see they're in full bloom right now. So without further ado, I'm gonna hand the cameras over to them, and we'll see what they come up with, and what you get is what I've cut together from what they have recorded. Thanks for stopping. We'll see you guys next time.
I'm really cold and I'm in my Jeep sweatshirt now, so this is my green thing. Anyway, look at this. This is John's Jeep. He crossed out the 4 liter and put 1.9 liters. Basically 2. Red trees are nice. I like the color. It's like red.
Judging by the sign on it and what I read online, it was built in 1869.
Honk!
Well, we had a blast going on this ride, hanging out with the Jeepers. It was right about this time in the evening I got a call from my work informing me of a pretty major outage that ended up consuming over a week and a half of my time. So even though we hung out with these guys a little while longer, had some food and hung around the campfire, we left not too much later, and we forgot to do any more filming, and went home, caught a flight, and I was gone for over a week. But I'm back now, and I'm posting this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I appreciate you coming along with us. We'll be back out in the shop working on the Betsy Ross project next week. We'll see you then.